In this video, Eddie's made some huge steps towards actually driving this car. He's made his own manifold, wastegates on, car runs. Turbo spins, makes cool noises. Let's see it.
Rightio, so we're up to turbo manifold time. I just had the boys here, gave me a bit of a hand to mock the turbo up. We've got a bit of timber. It's not obviously not the wastegate position. Got this 6:1 merge collector welded to a 2.5 inch steam pipe bend, 90. So it's going to sit around about there. Just going to make at least the first pipe from obviously number 1 cylinder. It's going to come over and go into, I think, that one, but we'll see how we go. It's a bit of clearance there, probably going to have to heat wrap it so it doesn't melt the paint. There's enough room to put the wastegate on the front. I think the only real issue is going to be getting it to recirculate, so come up past the, you can see it's going to have to come like up and over the heater hose or radiator hose even. So yeah, see how it goes. The air filter is going to be a tight squeeze, but I guess at the end of the day, if it worst come to worst, we can get a shorter one. So I've got that 180 bend there to try and make something out of. But yeah, should give plenty of room for like dump pipe, go out here, and then there should be enough room to drop it down past the steering shaft, focus, down here, and then through to the rest. But we'll see how we go, and I'll try and update as I go. Second day, I've had 3 or 4 goes at least one of these, so needless to say it's not the easiest thing in the world to do, but currently got this number 3 one tacked in, number 2 is tacked in, so it's not holding its own weight, but it's pretty solid now. I had to tape it to stop it from, like, it would just keep wiggling around while I was trying to tack things. So it's not supported by the wood anymore, which is good. So there should be a reasonable amount of room there. Obviously it's still going to need some heat management, but it's getting better than it was. So there's even clearance down here between the brake lines now. So I'm probably going to use some of that, I think it's DCI. Whatever Benny gave us on the drag challenge. Just make like a heat shield that goes along, protect like the master and the reservoir and everything. we don't really want any of that to be burnt, because that'd be a bad day.
What have you done? Made a dump. Pipe.
This looks nice. This is all just fusion, like there's no filler rod in that. But where I had to like bridge the gap.
Where you can clearly see one's made of stainless and one's made of Chinesium.
Yeah.
But still.
This is not stainless either, the bung they give you. It's just mild. And then I gave it far too much curry. Anyway.
Too much heat.
It'll work. Yeah, it's far too many amps.